Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more. The whole premise is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new Capitol Chic Designs collection at Michael's. I've seen people posting this on Instagram, but my local stores just got it in. So I went over to Michael's and I got all the things that I wanted. So we're going to get into all that. But I do want to thank you guys for commenting on my videos, my new videos, my old videos. It has encouraged me to continue to make content for you guys. I have been struggling with anxiety more so than usual, and my anxiety and depression has left me in a bit of a slump, but seeing you guys interact with me, whether it's a new video or an older video, I mean videos that I've done like 1 or 2 years ago, people are commenting on. I see them. I thank you so much. I try to reply to all comments, if not like them at least, but thank you guys so much for the support. It has encouraged me to continue to create content, and in 2021 I am sharing more of the things I love, more of the things that help me battle my anxiety and depression and just keep going and in essence ultimately crush the chaos. You know, everything is not picture perfect as what IG may show, or you know, we could have our good days and our bad days, but I'm always very transparent and I just cannot thank you guys enough. It has been so helpful. So that is that. Let's go ahead and get into this haul. All right, I am so excited to share this new collection. When it comes to stickers for the culture, Capitol Chic Designs is at the top of the list. I'm so excited that my Michael's finally got these stickers in, because I've been looking at everybody else posting about them on IG, and I know that this is something that I wanted to pick up. Capitol Chic Designs does have a website as well, but it's not open all the time. It was opened up at the end of January. I did grab some things. I'll share that in a future haul, but you can find Capitol Chic Designs at Michael's. It's typically on an end cap as well. So the older the collection, the first one that she came out with, that stuff is still there, but this new one is infused with so much unapologetically black that I absolutely love it. So how did I stumble across getting this? One, I checked my local store, but also I went a little bit above and beyond with what I was gonna get. I wasn't looking at the price tag because I had a voucher. So that's one of the things about Michael's, is that they are giving loyalty points now, and those points are actually dollars, and once you reach the threshold of $5, they'll go ahead and issue you a voucher. I had one for $25, so all of this that I'm about to show you was free 99 for me. That didn't come out of pocket for this, although I would have. But here we go with the first sticker book, which is the one that I saw everyone posting about. I had to get, I just love it. So the pages are duplicates. So here is page number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. And this is gonna be great to do a planner spread. So this is definitely going to be going into my memory planner. So don't judge me by the color of my skin. Unite. The fight isn't over until we are equal. So there's a duplicate page of that. Then we have the guys up here. Another one here. Black. Wall Street, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Legalize being black. Revolution televised. Sick and tired. And some more quotes. Then we have these, which are a mix of dolls as well as some sayings. Be the energy you want to attract. Magic in my melanin. Black dreams matter. Squad, get it done. Live with intent. Then some functional ones here. I would definitely write on these with a gel pen of some sort. Then we have some clear stickers with a few icons and some more quotes. We have a voice, keep showing up. Teach tolerance, legalize being black, fighting together. So I love this one. And another cool thing about this, if you are into upcycling, you could take this front and back cover and turn it into like a mini dashboard, depending on the kind of planner that you're using. You can definitely reuse this packaging, because this right here is worth being saved. Then I got 4 of these sticker books here. So the first one is this one that has just quotes. The sheets are also duplicate, so there's 2, 4, 6, and I think it's 8 sheets total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And then the first page are paper stickers, and then the second is clear. So I prefer clear stickers over the paper ones, but if you are looking to share stickers with a friend and one of you prefers the other style over the other, one prefers paper and the other prefers clear stickers, this is a great way to share as well. Because the color scheme is different, which is nice, but I really do prefer clear stickers. I will also say, if you're using a reusable sticker book, don't put these in there because they are a pain in the ass to peel up. But here's this one. So just a lot of quotes, and this is going to be great in my memory planner for those days where I don't have a lot going on, I'm not documenting a lot, and I just want to pop a little something on my page, and I would actually use this in my regular planner as well for a little motivation. Then the next sticker book is this one. I thought this would be great to create some spreads with. I've been doing a lot of retail therapy in my little slump that I've been in, so I just have been purchasing a lot of kits, and when they come in, you guys will be seeing them for sure, and I'll be posting them on my Instagram as well. And there's a lot of sales that are going on, so I'm gonna get what I want to get the rest of this month, because I know there's the Ultimate Planner sale, and then there's another one Valentine's week, so I'm gonna get what I want to get in February, but then I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna create my kits and slow down. But this is a very functional sticker book. Between the dolls and then the boxes like this can create a lot of spreads. Then we have this one, which is another one to create spreads with. Let's just start at the back. I mean, this is a whole spread in itself. Take this one and mix it with some stickers from here. Come on now. Come on. Then we have some more clear stickers. I love this one. This one is just so cute. I love these. This would be really cute to do, like how they're all staggered here, to do a page like this or a dashboard in a planner. Same thing with this one. Love it. Ooh, I love these clear dolls. And then we have this one. Again, all the stuff that you can incorporate into spreads, which I'll be sharing with you guys. And then the last one that I got is this one here, which is all about the holidays. So I have spreads that I've already done, of course, as January is over, but I'm gonna see whether I'm gonna put these in my calendar or if I'm gonna put them in my weekly spread. It depends on what the sticker is, but I mean, look at this Juneteenth one. Come on. Come on. Like, what? Yeah. Come on with it. I'm here for it. I am here for it. This is so dope. This is so dope. So I love all of this. So shout out to Lakia, the owner of Capitol Chic Designs, for this phenomenal collection. There was some washi tape, there was a paper pad, and then there were much more stickers available as well. But this is what I got, and I know that these are new. These were not in the last drop that was there. So I will have information on Capitol Chic Designs Instagram in the comments, not the comments, in the description box, as well as the link to the website. It is closed right now, but you guys can always sign up for the newsletter to get information on when they're going to be reopening, and you can always find Capitol Chic Designs at Michael's. Again, for your convenience, it's typically on an end cap. So love this new drop. Can't wait to share with you guys what I'm going to be doing with it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this collection, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. And of course, in the description box, I'll have links to my social media. You can check me out over on @Chaotic Critic and check out my shop, which offers apparel, cups, as well as vinyl decals, and I'll be sharing with you guys some new drops I have in my shop as well. Shop 15 Roses, 15roses.com. All that information, of course, in the description box for your convenience. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.